everybody, it is Colonel back again, and today, well, I'm going to be showing you this awesome thing. So, I'm in Branson right now, and, like, there's Silver Dollar City and other stuff here. So, I got this, there's this place where you can make your own remote control car, and it's amazing. You have your own tires, you make your own thing, and there's you can even make it on the website. So I'm going to show you what I made. How is this? Alright, my sister.
What did he say?
Pick it up. Pick it up and show the viewers. Yeah. So I got nitrous at the top. This blue thing. Got the engine that comes out of the front, and then I got the blue bag, and it's a police car. And then look under my wheels. So I got some smoke things back here, and then I have some tires, and these are our little skulls. And blue. And then like the insides of the tires, those are red and blue. And well, how does it look? Oh yeah, let's check this. And yeah, so I'm gonna get this in motion of me driving it, so just watch. Alright, so now I'm just going to show you like some stuff that you need to work it. So anyways, the remote. So this makes it go forward, this thing. And this is the turn button here. This one. And then, so you're going to have to put yours on one of these things. So you got 1, 2, see 1, 2, and 3. So I put mine on 2. Put it on 3 or 1. Don't put it on, like if you have a brother or sister and they want one of these, you can just put it on a different number than them, okay? Okay. And then on and off. Ooh, that's my car. Oh, ow. Ow. I was just checking out my brother's car. Which I will show you in a minute, but, so just put it on a different satellite than your brother or sister if they are getting one. If you don't have a sibling, do it on whatever. But then, so on and off. If you're not playing with it, off. Doesn't matter what number it's on, but you need to turn this off or else it will run out of battery. And then, so and then there's on and off down here, right here. And you also need to put this on 2, but then you turn it off. And if you're, and boom. 2. 2. It's on 2.
Quit.
What?
Oh.
I'm not doing anything. Beat them so hard.